Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make easy marshmallow fondant with just 3 ingredients. I am pouring the water all over the marshmallows. Next, I will be placing this in the microwave so it can melt. I will be doing this in 30-second intervals just until it is smooth. Make sure you are using a microwave-safe bowl when you are melting these marshmallows. As you can see, I am completely done and my marshmallows are smooth and there aren't any lumps in it, which is what you want to see. Now I'm going to be sifting about half the bag of powdered sugar, which is around 4 cups, making sure that we're getting all the little lumps out. You should be left with a little mountain. Now I'm going to be making a little hole in the center, and this is where we are going to be placing half of the melted marshmallow mixture. After that, I will sift the remainder of the powdered sugar right on top. So now for the fun part, mixing everything together. I do recommend covering your hands completely with solid vegetable shortening to prevent the marshmallow from sticking to your hands. As you can see, the marshmallow did start to stick on mine. It wasn't a big deal, but I think using the vegetable shortening would have helped just mix everything together smoothly. Here, I'm just adding the remainder of our marshmallow mixture, making sure I'm scraping everything out. Now, just keep mixing everything together. This part may take some time and a little bit of muscle, but it's definitely worth it at the end. You can store this fondant for about a week. Just make sure you saran wrap it really good and keep it in the fridge. Once it looks formed, it's all done, and this is the end result. Hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos.